Welcome back to Data Shark Academy. Let's talk about offsets. So we know that a Kafka cluster is made up of one or more brokers, and within the brokers we have topics, and inside the topics you have partitions and the data. All right. Now these data elements are ordered and given a sequence number, some kind of an ID, and that ID is called offset. All right. The subsequent messages in a partition will have incremental offset IDs, like you can see in this example. So topic 1 has partition 0 and it has 5 messages. Each of the message has an ID from 0 to 4. Within a partition, the offset IDs are unique, but across the partitions, they are not unique. All right. So if there is another partition of topic 1, it will have its own offset ID starting from 0. Okay, but the underlying message will be different. Offset IDs are basically used by Kafka to keep track of which messages are read by the consumers. And we'll look into this more when we talk about consumers. Okay, for now, just remember that each of the message has an ID called offset, and these IDs are unique within a partition but not across the partitions. Okay, let's move on to the next topic. I'll see you in the next class.